I know that you and I usually know Jeremiah 29, verse 11, the most classic verse, which says, "For I know the plans that I have for you, declares the Lord." That is the most classic verses that you and I have heard and know about. But then, have you guys ever thought of reading verse 12 till 14? Jeremiah 29, verse 12 says, "Then you will call unto me, come and pray to me, and I will listen to you." That is God's promise. He says that if you call unto Him, you go to pray to Him, then He will definitely listen and respond to you. 13 says, "You will seek and find me, and when you seek me with all your heart," meaning that when you seek Him with all of your heart, when you make sure that He knows that you're seeking His attention, you will definitely find Him. He says that is His promise. "I will be found by you." Verse 14 says, "I will be found by you, declares the Lord, and will bring you back from your captivity. I will gather you from all the nations and places where I have banished you, declares the Lord, and I will bring you back to the place from which I carried you into exile." He says that, if you try to find me, then you will find me, and I will bring you back from wherever you have been kept. That is His promise, you guys. So please do make sure that you do read Jeremiah 29, the whole chapter, and listen to God's promise. May the good Lord bless you.